TV.
Kotenore kod weche mag ng'anyo mar lakteche gi twak madhi nyime, sirkal koro miyo lakteche thuolo mar nyaka odiechieng' ma kiny mar chungo ng'anyo margi. Jatend jotije sirkal Felix Koskei wacho ni 96% mar weche mane chendo winjruok osebedoe kokalo e twak magisebedogo. Koskei wacho ni gideyo mana nyuok mar chiwo thuolo ne lakteche mondo oket kokgi e winjruok odiechieng' ma kiny bang' ka laktechego ne orem timo kamano odiechieng' ma kawuono.
And we agree that the union leadership goes back to report to their council and their membership so that they can ratify for us to come and sign the return to work agreement, of which since morning, every other time we are being updated that they have been having their meeting since 9 o'clock, because you know they have series or they have several organs to pass through in order for the strike to be called off or for the suspension by the court to be affirmed. And therefore, they are still in the meeting, and we have decided that since it is becoming night, we need to give them some more time for them to conclude the discussion with their membership, so that tomorrow, once they are ready, we come here, convene here, sit down, and initial or sign the return to work formula as agreed